how you can get results in 2026 with ClickBank affiliate marketing and Google pay-per-click ads. Now in this short video, in this 5-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step why ClickBank methods that are popular right now are outdated and what you should do if you want to have sales and results with Google pay-per-click ads and ClickBank in 2026. Let's go straight into it. As you can see, why Google ads and not social media? This is all about Google pay-per-click ads. It's all about buyers' clicks and buyers' intent. Why? Because on Google, okay, people go on Google for two reasons. One of them is to search for a solution. You have a pain, you have a problem. You need what? You need a solution, okay, to solve it, to solve the problem. Second thing is people are already problem aware. Now, if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to reveal to you step by step exactly how to position your ClickBank ads, okay, pay-per-click ads, text ads on Google to have massive success and results online. You can see, okay, on Google people are in the buyer's mode. They're not browsing like on Facebook or TikTok, okay, or YouTube, okay. They're ready to take action now. That's very important. Now, second of all, let me show you the proof. If you go on Google, type in anything. How to lose weight before summer. How to manifest happiness. How to get rid of dental issues. How to get rid of back pain. Okay. How to get rid of acne. All of those stuff people are typing in. Okay. So they are in the solution seeking mode. And that's great. Now, when you go on ClickBank, what kind of products you should promote? Let me show you what kind. The products with full funnel value, with high enough average order value. Okay, we start with low ticket. You can see $47. Okay, this is initial front end product. Let's say ebook, $47. And then once they buy that, immediately 2 minutes later, they get another email or another option to subscribe to buy the upsell for $97, and another upsell or even downsell for $67. So at the end of the day, my friend, you can make, yes, you, $200 per sale. Okay, you're earning, let's say, 90% ClickBank commissions that are paid every single day, and you can withdraw them to your bank account every single week. Okay, now let me show you here. This is the secret. Let's make the bigger or the biggest needle mover is this. The hidden profit most people miss is this. One person out of 8 people, okay? Let's say we have 500 clicks. You send 500 clicks with Google pay-per-click ads to one product on ClickBank, okay? Now, let's say you get only 9% conversion rate. So this means over here that 45 people will buy out of 500 people who clicked on your ad on Google and went over to your website, to your quiz funnel or landing page or website. Out of 500 people, let's say 9% will buy. So this is 45 buyers. Now, why 9%? Why 9? Why not 3%? Why not 1%? Why? Because if you're a smart affiliate, if you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, give you done for you website that is actually proven to convert traffic on a high level, it will allow you to get results. Simple as that. Okay, let's say out of 45 buyers, okay, 5 buyers, only 5 will buy the entire funnel. It means they will buy the front end product for $47. They will buy $97 upsell and $67 upsell. At the end of the day, 5 people will spend $211 in a day. That means at the end of the day, you made almost $3,000. Now let's say you didn't do it in a day. Let's say you did it in a 7-day period. It's still great. 500 clicks in 7 days, and you have made $2,900 in a week. Out of that, you get 90% affiliate commissions. Okay. Now maybe you have spent $500 in a week, and you made back $2,900. Okay. So this is why I'm preaching all the time on my YouTube videos. Choose products with a great enough upsell to create. Have someone to show psychology of markets, how it's applied for low emotional states and also high emotional states audiences, right? It's very important if you want to have great results. Okay? What is the number one mistake all the gurus on ClickBank that are selling you outdated courses are doing? Exactly this. This is the outdated method that most people follow. And again, if you try this, it's not your fault. Okay? You see, what is the problem with this ugly, weird image? Yes, it can get a lot of clicks, but wrong kind of clicks. Curiosity clickers, meaning clickbait headlines. It's hyped, okay? And then you have random traffic. It's curiosity clickers who never buy, who never made a buying decision online, okay? So that's the wrong thing. That is the wrong, outdated methods that most people are buying online that doesn't lead to anywhere, okay? Now again, curiosity means nothing if there is no buyer's intent behind to buy. Very important, you need the buyer's intent. The money in 2026, the money is in the buyer's clicks. All right? Let me give you an example. It's all about market sophistication and product matching. Message to the market match. All right? So as you watch this video right now, this is how it works. You see, when you have a product on ClickBank, you need to understand there are 5 stages of market awareness. You have unaware audiences, problem-aware audiences, solution-aware audiences, and most aware audiences, right? So if you're promoting wrong product to the wrong audience, you will get 0 sales. You will only waste time and money. But if you're smart and you have someone to help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, you can choose the right product with the right pre-sale message to the right audiences, right? As you can see over here, right? We go from unaware to the most aware. So you have to know what kind of audience you want to promote your offer to. That's why I need someone who's going to help you one-on-one, step by step, maybe even over the Zoom call. Set up ad campaign on Google. Start with $5 or $10 US dollars a day per campaign. Run campaign for 2 days. If it's break even, meaning you get your money back, 20 US dollars back, 30 US dollars back, 50 US dollars back, it's great. And even if it makes some profit, it's great. Why? Because it shows you now you are profitable. Now you know how to scale and how to increase your ad budget slowly so you can keep your cost per click low and make most of the profits. Okay, so this is how it works. You can see over here with paid ads, okay? Daily spend, conversion rate, and earnings you can make per day. We get it done together one-on-one, as you can see over the Zoom call. 20, 30 minutes a day you can do this, okay? As you can see some of my students over here. Now, you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my Instagram, there's my WhatsApp, yeah, my personal cell phone number, my email, and my Facebook Messenger. Okay, you can send me the DM to get your results, but only if you're really serious, if you want to have results in 2026 with ClickBank affiliate marketing, okay, without showing your face, without making any videos, and actually start having sustainable results.